and I am studying at La Immaculada Conception School, incoming third year. Ang hindi ko po makakalimutan dito, yung hindi ako kasali sa mga pasado dito. Pero hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, ako po yung top 2 dito.
Parang nalito nakain ako nandun. Parang naduling ako. Non-passers ka ba? Parang yung anak.
When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. There's so much there more, just like the most stars. I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still living on. When you're leaving your space to do some navigating, I've been here patiently waiting to see what you find. To see where the stars they burn, some even fall to the earth. We've got a lot to learn. God knows we were saved. No, I won't give up. Thank you.
So, thank you, Kuya. Hindi lang ba sa orientation ulit, sample pa ulit ng bigay ng Diyos ng talento. Thank you. Next